Islamic ritual where the Shahada, or declaration of faith, is inscribed on grains of rice. This practice, blending devotion with daily sustenance, highlights the intimate ways in which faith infiltrates every aspect of life. Finally, we delve into a practice from Christian tradition, observed notably in the Philippines during Holy Week. Devotees engage in self-flagellation, a physical manifestation of penance and devotion. It's a stark reminder of the lengths to which faith can inspire acts of personal sacrifice.